लाटा टीप दिबा हाँ Why don't you stand here? So just keep in touch always. Just sending these guys a post. Those guys.
Photography is not simply about pressing such a button. It is about seeing what others may overlook, finding beauty in ordinary moments, documenting history and invitees and people around here. We are right here to celebrate a special occasion that is marking the celebration of 87th World Photography Day, and we are right here to the visions and ideas and visuals that has been captured by the immensely talented and creative from the Bangladeshi photographers. Moving on with the part of us to chair the event, the President of Bangladesh Photojournalists Association BPJ, Mr. AKM Moshin. So may we introduce the chief guest for this special event, His Excellency, the Ambassador of People's Republic of Bangladesh to Nepal, Mohammad Safiqur Rahman. Likewise, we get the dignitaries and special guests, the President of NAPs in Nepal, Pradeep Raj Wanta, the Deputy Director of China Cultural Center in Nepal, Liu Chanping. Likewise, Office Acting Director of Nepal Tourism Board, Mr. Sunil Sharma. Past President of BPJA, ABM Rafiqur Rahman. Senior member of BPJA, Qazi Raunak Hassan. Founder and CEO of Alpine Club of Himalaya.
Thank you so much, sir. दुई देशबिचको एक्सचेन्ज फोटो एक्जिबिसन प्रोग्रामका आजका प्रमुख अतिथि नेपालका लागि बङ्गलादेशका राजदूत महामहिम मोहम्मद सफिकुर रहमानजी, त्यसै गरी चाइना कल्चरल सेन्टर नेपालका डाइरेक्टर ली झाङपिङज्यू, सिनियर फोटो पत्रकार साथीहरू, त्यसै गरी राष्ट्रिय फोटो पत्रकार सभाका पूर्व अध्यक्ष र फोटो पत्रकार साथीहरू, अल्पाइन क्लब अफ हिमालयनका फाउन्डर सुजन लामिछानेज्यू, त्यसै गरी नाराका पूर्व अध्यक्ष शिवज्यू, नेपाल पर्यटन बोर्डबाट यस कार्यक्रममा अतिथिमा उपस्थित हुनुभएका बोर्डका प्रतिनिधि सुनिल शर्मा संयुक्त आयोजनामा आज हामी यस स्थानमा 187औं विश्व फोटोग्राफी दिवस संयुक्त रूपमा यहाँ बङ्गलादेशको फोटो प्रदर्शनी गरेर मनाउन गइरहेका छौँ र यहाँहरू सबैलाई यो फोटो अवलोकन फोटोलाई माया गर्नुहुन्छ, जसले क्यामेरा रोक्नुहुन्छ, जसले फोटो खिच्नुहुन्छ। र आज हामी यो 21औं वर्षको मित्रताको सँगसँगै आज हामी यसरी हाम्रो सम्बन्धलाई नयाँ उचाइमा पुर्याउन गएको हामीले यो बसन्तपुरको परिसरमा बङ्गलादेशको फोटो पत्रकार साथीहरूलाई बोलाएर यहाँको बिचमा हामीले यो फोटो प्रदर्शनी गर्न पाउँदा हामीलाई साह्रै खुसी लागेको छ र जसले गर्दा हामी त्यो एउटा संस्था बिचको भाइचारा सम्बन्ध स्थापित गर्न आफ्नो महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिका खेल्नेछ भन्ने विश्वास लिएको छु। र यो फोटो प्रदर्शनीमा बङ्गलादेशका विभिन्न फोटो पत्रकार साथीहरूले विभिन्न क्षेत्रमा उहाँहरूको सांस्कृतिक क्षेत्रका फोटोहरू, यहाँको बिचमा भौगोलिक क्षेत्रका फोटोहरू र वन्यजन्तु र जल समुद्रको फोटोहरू यहाँ प्रदर्शनमा राखिएको छ। त्यो फोटोहरू फोटोग्राफी एउटा यस्तो भाषा हो जसलाई बुझ्न धेरै शब्द आवश्यक पर्दैन। एउटा राम्रो तस्बिरले मानिसको समाज, संस्कृति र देशलाई एक अर्काप्रति जोड्न मद्दत गर्छ। त्यसले हामी यो बिचमा त्यसैले आजको यो प्रदर्शनी नेपाल र बङ्गलादेश बिचको फोटो प्रदर्शनको सम्बन्धमा अझ नजिक बनाउने विश्वास लिएको छ। यस विशेष कार्यक्रममा आफ्नो अमूल्य मत दिएर यहाँ उपस्थित श्री एकेहे मोसनजीको सम्पूर्ण टिमलाई स्वागत गर्दै सानो भाइ अन्त्य गर्न चाहन्छु। थ्याङ्क यू सो मच। थ्याङ्क यू।
আমাদের ছবিটা তুলে अगाडि नजानुहोस् साइडै जाऊ न।
I'm not a good orator, but would like to say something. I get lots of invitation from different programs, but when it is the program about the photography, I don't want to miss it. I put it into the first priority because I have a very soft corner for the photography, everything. It tells a lot of the story. Then I
Here, not only here, also internationally, who are keen and fun with the photographs. And I'm sure, who doesn't like a photographs? Photography is the everything which Sunil sir and our president everybody told about. But only one word I will tell you: photography is the transformation of information, which I feel it. Yeah. So far I have seen your Bangladesh friends' photographs. Luckily, I think I'm not mistaken. It's a 48 friends. So, after 1990s movement, Young has an opportunity to become such a lovely photographer and presents their ability in the all these Nepalese society, culture, landscape, mountain, whatever, all life. Only before, only peaceful renters are having in the photography and using
of the world. So these programs we can, undertake in our, future course of actions. Distinguished audience, tourism collaboration is an extraordinary, is an area of mutual collaboration. There has been a large increase of tourists coming from Dhaka to Kathmandu, from Bangladesh to Nepal these days. The number exceeding more than 50,000, making Bangladesh one of the fastest growing source market for Nepal. We feel that there are areas and mechanisms in which both countries can collaborate in making tourism a sustainable area of cooperation. We can work together in jointly promoting tourism destinations, both Bangladesh and Nepal, in international platform also. In building this collaboration, we feel that you photojournalists to provide any support and facilitate such initiatives, to advance our cultural cooperation between Bangladesh and Nepal. We welcome greater interaction and engagement between our journalists, between our photographers, between our artists, cultural organizations. And certainly we would be happy to work together with relevant institutions, to promote exchange and collaborative programs that strengthen our bilateral collaboration. I'm a photographer, but we are now with the very high quality professional photographers. So we are learning things, and it is a very wonderful place. And I would like to thank the very Nepali authority for choosing this fine ambience, especially the president of Nepali Photojournalists Association. And I would of course extend my congratulations and my gratitude to the photographers from the members of the photography associations of Bangladesh, the photojournalists, for traveling all the way to choose Nepal as a destination. You see that Nepal is a highly beautiful country. Our theme is beautiful Bangladesh. We say this is Rupa Bangladesh. Bangladesh is really beautiful. I would hope that you would exchange, visiting both countries, and we can work together. We are linked through centuries, and we should revitalize these links. And thank you very much for joining the celebration.
The delegates right from BPJ, and to hand over the token of appreciation, maybe can be requested. The past president of BPJ, ABM Rafiqur Rahman. May we kindly invite to receive appreciation the senior member of BPJ. We invite the past General Secretary, Nuruddin Ahmad. Public Secretary for BPJ, Muhammad Saurabh. Member, Chattogram. President, Cox's Bazar District Branch, Nurul S. Executive Member, Mahbub Hossain Khan, Nobel. The Deputy Director of China Culture Center in Nepal, Liu Kangping. And token of appreciation.
ऑडिटोरियम ना এটা কোন জায়গা হনুমান
Token of moment right from BPJ to our Chief Guest, His Excellency.
Photo.
about
Which one is this? This one,
whole
Syed?
world celebration. It is a big story. 200 years of the photography, and we are also, you know, better than me, our chief guest explain photography is a very strong medium. I like to say only thank you. It's a wonderful, organized, and excellent exhibition and participant. Many people. Rupushi Bangla means beauty of Bangladesh. Our Photojournalist Association and very shortly I'll details, but it is close today. This exhibition is wonderful organized, and thank you again. And it is their last 5 days. We are visiting very interesting spot. They are organizing the exhibition. It is really wonderful. Thank you very much, and thank you all, Our Excellency and Chinese Deputy Director and Nepal People. And it is a really festival of photojournalism. This program is a festival of photojournalism. So thank you very much for this occasion.
Wait. Okay, ready? Smile. Okay, once again. Okay.
রফিক ভাই করে, আরে রফিক ভাই,
This is Baraisal, Borisal.
বরিশাল,
We have
floating
also
market.
We have also this.